Hello everyone, welcome to first day of March LeetCode challenge, and today's question is distribute candies. In this question you are given an array that signifies different type of candies Alice can eat. However, she is restricted to eat by a doctor maximum of n by 2 candies. We need to return the maximum number of different types of candies she is allowed to eat. So let's understand the question by an example. In this example, we are given three types of candies. Two of them are of same type, one and one. Another two of them are of same type, two and two, and the last two are of same type, three and three. How many candies are is she allowed to eat at max is n by 2. N here becomes the size of the array, which is nothing but 6. So 6 by 2 equals to 3. So Alice at max is allowed to eat 3 candies. And how many different type of candies do we have? We have 3 different type of candies. So she'll pick one from each for each type, 1, 2 and 3, and eat those candies. And let's understand the second example. In this example, how many different types of candies are given to us? 3 types of candies are given to us. Two of them are of same type, that is 1. Then we have a candy of type 2, and then we have a candy of type 3. How many candies is Alice allowed to eat? Total number of candies by 2, which in this case would be 4 by 2. 2 candies at max she is allowed to eat. However, we have 3 different type of candies, so she can pick any 2 out of these 3 type of candies and eat those candies. The answer becomes 2. And let's understand the third example. In this case, we are given uh, 4 same type of candies, type 6. And how many total candies do we have? 4. How many at max is Alice allowed to eat? 4 by 2, that is 2. However, there is only one type of candy available for us. So how many different type of candies Alice will eat? One, only one. I hope the examples are clear to you, and let's quickly walk through the slideshow that I have created for this. Distribute candies, LeetCode 575, day 1 of March LeetCode challenge. And what are we going to do? It's a simple mathematic question, not too tricky, not very tricky, easily doable by most of you, I believe. uh, there's a choice that we have to make. How many candies is she allowed to eat by the doctor at max? N by 2. So one choice is this. And how many different types of candies are there in the input array? That is the second choice. So different types available. What we need to pick up? We need to pick up the minimum of these two. Simple, not very tricky, very simple. So let's walk through with an example. We have 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 6, 1, 6. How many candies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 in total. Doctor prescribed at max to eat 4 candies, and different. How many different types of candies are available? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4 in this case. She'll eat one of type 1, one of type 2, one of type 3, and one of type 6. So so the rule becomes something like this. She is at max she is allowed to eat max minimum of n by 2, comma, different types of candies available candies. How can we calculate this factor? We can create a hash set where we'll store the type, and the size of the hash set will give us different types of candies available. Let's quickly code this up. So what we'll make a hash set of type integer, generic type integer, hash set new, 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 ty hash set, and let's iterate over the candy type array. Type candy type hash set dot add type, and what we need to return, we need to return the minimum of hash set dot size, comma, candy type dot length by 2. So this is what doctor prescribed, and this is what the different types of candies that are available to us. The minimum of this would be your answer. Looks fine, and let me just submit it. Absolutely correct. What is the time complexity of this approach? Order of n. What is the space complexity of this approach? The space complexity would be order of n again, because we are creating a new hash set, and for the case where all of the candies are of different type, for example 1 2 3 4 5 up to n, all of them are different type, the maximum size the hash set can contain is of order n. Therefore the space complexity becomes order of n. Can we improvise this logic slightly? Yes, we can. We can use streams Java 8 functionality, although the solution will become Java specific, but we can definitely improvise on that. And let me just show you how. So I'll be using Java streams for a one-liner approach and return math.min. The first comparison remains the same, candy type dot length by 2, comma. What we'll use array.stream, and what data object we will operate, candy type, and what we will do, we will uh, create an object for distinct, and then we will count its number. Something like this should work, and let me just convert it into integer. Yeah, this sounds perfect. Let's try this up. Looks fine. Accepted. Thanks for watching the video, and if you liked it, please subscribe it to this channel.